Linking your bank account to Robinhood is a straightforward process that allows you to fund your trading account easily. Follow these steps to get started. Step 1. Open the Robinhood app. Launch the Robinhood app on your mobile device or access the website on your computer. Ensure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once you are in the app or website, locate the account icon, usually found in the bottom right corner. Tap or click on it to access your account settings. Step 3. Select banking. In the account settings menu, look for the option labeled banking or linked accounts. Click on this option to proceed with linking your bank account. Step 4. Add your bank account. You will see an option to add a bank account. Enter the required information, including your bank's name, account number, and routing number. Follow any additional prompts to verify your account. Step 5. Confirm and complete the linking process. After entering your bank details, review the information for accuracy and confirm the linking process. You may need to wait for a verification process, which can take a few minutes to a couple of days. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account will be linked to your Robinhood account, allowing you to deposit and withdraw funds easily. Enjoy trading.